In Northwest Florida, a Santa Rosa family is suing Gulf Breeze United Methodist Church and 3 of its pastors. As WKRG News 5's Alexa Daly reports, the lawsuit comes after a former youth pastor abused their daughter sexually.
30-year-old youth pastor Ryan Walsh was sentenced to 10 years in state prison and 5 years probation after touching a 13-year-old girl and sending her sexually explicit text messages in 2020. Now the victim's family is seeking legal compensation.
I'm disgusted by the conduct in this case. I'm disgusted by the lack of care that was provided to a very important part of the church community.
Attorney Joe Zarzaur is representing the victim's family in their lawsuit against Pastor Dan Morris, Executive Pastor Kenneth York, and Walsh, as well as the entire Gulf Breeze United Methodist Church and the Alabama West Florida Conference of the United Methodist Church. The lawsuit says the family joined United Methodist Church to help their daughter seek counseling of previous sexual abuse and that those involved were aware of the prior abuse she faced.
The allegations are basically that they allowed this youth pastor free rein of the youth program in violation of their own policies. They didn't, even though they had access to his devices, they didn't do anything to check and make sure he was having appropriate communications with the youth.
Gulf Breeze United Methodist Church released this statement. Due to ongoing litigation, we are not able to comment further. We are praying for all involved. The suit hopes to bring the family millions of dollars in compensation.
You can imagine that it will have a lifetime of consequences and symptoms for her as she develops as an adult and has to manage other relationships.
The case could take anywhere from 6 to 20 months to get to court. In Gulf Breeze, Alexa Daly, WKRG News 5.